Flatbread. So soft, airy, and magnificent. Start by pouring 450 milliliters of warm water into mixing bowl. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of sugar and 10 grams of dry yeast. Mix everything. Add 600 grams of soft flour. First add about 1/3. Then mix with a wooden spoon. Add another 1/3. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Divide flour into 2, 3, 4, or 5 parts. Not important, but add gradually. When all flour is incorporated, dip the hand in oil, coat thoroughly. Remove excess, then knead dough briefly with oiled hands. When dough sticks to hands, dip in oil again. Dough should be sticky and evenly mixed at this stage. No lumps and no dry patches. Won't happen after this kneading. But noting for clarity, let rest in one place for 30 minutes. Risen dough looks like this. Soft and smooth. Flour work surface and transfer dough. Dust all sides with flour. Divide into 6 portions. Add more flour to prevent sticking. Tuck edges inward like this. Repeat several times. Seal and flip over. Dust work surface with flour, place dough ball. Repeat process. Let shape dough balls rest only 5 to 10 minutes. Press each ball gently with fingertips, not palms. Avoid punching. Use gentle pressure with fingertips. That's all. Transfer to floured tray. After shaping last flatbread, place on tray. Then preheat oven to 300 degrees Celsius. Before turning on the oven, take a large baking tray and position it slightly above the center to recreate the effect of a traditional flatbread oven. Then turn on the oven to preheat. using both heaters at 300 degrees Celsius without fan. Preheating takes 15 to 20 minutes. Let flatbreads rest meanwhile. If you see these air bubbles, you've done a perfect job. Before we take the flatbreads to bake, we brush them with yogurt. Plain water also works. For this occasion, I bought black cumin, since it is an essential part of good flatbread for ćevapi or somun. The oven has preheated. Somuns are ready. Fully open oven door. Pull out tray as far as possible. And now take 2 somuns and put them into bake. The somun is baked. The baking time is 7 minutes. You can take it out after 6 minutes. After 7 minutes, they are slightly crispy. Immediately put in the next 2. The baking time is 5 to 7 minutes. As soon as we take the somuns out of the oven, at least this is how I do it. I wrap them in a cloth and let them cool like that. These were wrapped earlier. And this is the crispier version. 7 or 5 minutes, so everyone can have it how they prefer. Then we must make ćevapi to go with the somuns, right? Flatbread without ćevapi makes no sense. No ćevapi machine? Use bag method with your meat mixture. I don't own a machine. Why keep it simple when complicated works? We Balkan folks prefer it this way. With practice, this technique becomes quick. Final appearance. See how airy and soft they are. Even the crispier one. Now I'll open one. Look. Full of holes and air pockets.